How to log in Santander Bank Online Banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.santanderbank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Santander Bank. Now, in here, tap on the login button on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the login portal of Santander Bank. Now, in order to log in, enter your login credentials, that is, your user ID and your password, and tap on the login button. And with this, if the password and the username that you entered is correct, then you will be logged into Santander Bank Online Banking account successfully. And if you have not signed yourself in, then tap on the first time user enroll now option and get yourself enrolled to Santander Bank. And if you have forgotten your user ID, then tap on the forgot user ID option. And if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the forgot password option and recover your login credentials and log in further to Santander Bank by entering your login correct credentials. So this is how you can log in to Santander Bank Online Banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.